Preventing violations for improper hazardous materials shipping paperwork is done by looking over the paperwork before you leave the shipper and calling for your hazmat briefing while still at the shipper. There are 3 things you need to confirm to ensure the paperwork is correct. 1, how the HM is designated on the shipping paperwork. 2, how the HM is listed on the BOL. And 3, where the shipping papers are located while you're in possession of or en route with a hazmat load. First, it's required by law that any hazardous material listed on the bill of lading or the BOL be designated by either 1, listing it first on the BOL, 2, placing an X or check mark in the HM column, or 3, writing or highlighting it in a contrasting color. If you're using a photocopy of the BOL, make sure to highlight the copy with a colored highlighter. It's also required that the hazardous materials being shipped are listed on the BOL in a very specific order. First, the hazardous ID number. Second, the proper shipping name of the material. Third, the hazard class or division number of the material. And fourth, the packing group number listed in Roman numerals. The BOL should also list the correct weight and piece count of each material shipped, as well as the shipper certification and emergency response phone number. If you have any questions regarding the paperwork, or if you notice a mistake, misprint, or incomplete information, notify the safety hotline when you call for your hazmat load briefing. Finally, make sure you always have your shipping papers and emergency response guidebook within reach with your seatbelt fastened while driving. Keeping your paperwork out of reach in the glove box or the bunk of the truck or even on the floor or the passenger side seat is a violation. The best place to keep the shipping papers and ERG is in the driver's side door pocket. The hazmat paperwork should also be on top of all other paperwork at all times. Never take the shipping papers with you if you leave the truck. Be sure to leave all paperwork on the driver's seat or in the driver's door pocket for easy access if an emergency occurs while you're away from the truck.